Good day, I'm Carleen Brown-Thompson and this is your JIS News for April 15. A $100 million upgrading and rehabilitation project for the Maypen Hospital is to be carried out this fiscal year. The money will come from the 2013-2014 budget. $32 million will be spent to improve the hospital's food chiller service, while some $5 million will be spent to improve the food trolley service. The hospital's radiology department will be modernized with a $27.8 million allocation to provide digital services. $8 million will also be spent to improve the sewerage system.
To improve the security area of the hospital, we're going to be spending somewhere about $5.4 million. We're going to be expanding the area for accident and emergency and equipping that area. That is going to run somewhere in the region of $15.6 million.
The health minister made the announcement following a tour of the Maypen Hospital Friday. Air conditioning units have already been installed in the accident and emergency department. Meanwhile, 2 child care facilities damaged by Hurricane Sandy will be rehabilitated following a $9.9 million donation from the Caribbean Catastrophe Risk Insurance Facility, CRIF. The project, which is scheduled to last for 9 months, will include work on the Muirton Boys Home in Portland and the Summerfield Home in Clarendon. A memorandum of understanding for the disbursement of the funds was signed on Friday by Financial Secretary Devon Rowe and CRIF's Chief Executive Officer Isaac Anthony. Chief Executive Officer of the Child Development Agency, Carla Francis Edie, thanked CRIF for the donation, which will benefit over 43 children. Repair works will include the replacement of windows and doors, plumbing work, and the installation of storm shutters.
These funds will do exactly what I believe regional governments envisioned when they embraced the CRIF. That is, limiting the impact or the severity of the impact of natural disasters on countries and their population.
The CRIF is a multi-risk insurance pooling facility designed to limit the financial impact of hurricanes and earthquakes on Caribbean governments. And over $7 million will be spent to rehabilitate the Goodwin Park Boys Home in Almontown, Kingston, and establish income-generating activities there. The project, which will take place over the next 4 months, will include repairs to the roof, renovation of the kitchen and dormitories, as well as the construction of a computer lab and storeroom. A vegetable farm and a chicken coop will also be constructed as part of income-generating activities. Funding for the renovation of the Goodwin Park Boys Home will come from the European Union's Poverty Reduction Program being implemented by the Jamaica Social Investment Fund. Libraries and other sectors that store information will be better able to retrieve and share data with the introduction of a new technological system. The Resource Description and Access (RDA) is a new cataloging system that's used by libraries and organizations like museums and archives. Jamaica's switch to this new technology will better accommodate the search for information from digital material like e-books, while allowing the country to continue to share information with other nations.
If we are to share those information resources, we need to be using the same systems so that Jamaica can access the quality information it requires for its path to national development.
The Planning Institute of Jamaica, the Library and Information Association of Jamaica, and the National Library of Jamaica will be embarking on a sensitization campaign to educate stakeholders about the new system. One seminar will be held on April 16 at the Medallion Hall Hotel from 9 to 4 p.m. The seminar forms part of the Special Libraries and Records Management Week from April 14 to 20, held under the theme Capacity Building for Development. And finally, Information Minister Senator Sandra Faulkner has expressed sadness at the passing of broadcaster and musicologist Anthony Tony Laing. Minister Faulkner said Mr. Laing kept discussions of Jamaican music alive and hailed his commitment to promoting the country's music and culture. She added that Tony Laing's belief in the abilities of the Jamaican people was evident in his fight for the Copyright Act for musicians and artists, which came into effect in 1993. Mr. Laing died on Saturday night at age 68. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Carleen Brown-Thompson. Thank you for watching.